Welcome to Word of the Week. Let's dive into today's worksheet with your favorite small size brush pen. As always, the word is right up at the top and it's also central to your page. There are directions up at the top and arrows pointing you to different items of note on the word itself. For this word, note some things that make it look a little bit different, like the I not touching the E, or the large curl at the end that balances out the beginning of the word. All of those little notes are things that you're going to want to keep in mind as you start to work through the worksheet. The first thing you want to do is trace the gray words. The upstrokes and downstrokes are already there for you to follow so that you can learn where they should be placed and how to put them in. Next, go down to the dotted lines. Here, you're going to be tracing, but it's your job to add in the upstrokes and downstrokes. And finally, it is time to celebrate. Write your word in the blank space provided using many of the same lettering basics that you've been repeating over the last two lines. As you flip to the back of your worksheet, you'll see the add-on, where we take the basics that we've already done for this word and switch it up a little bit by adding a flourish or other lines to make the word a little bit different. You'll see those added lines in black and the portions that are the same as the other side of this worksheet in gray. Trace over all of it together, learning those upstrokes and downstrokes again for your new strokes. Next, take it down to your dotted word. Down there, you need to add on the upstrokes and downstrokes yourself as you trace through the word, again, gaining muscle memory from the worksheet. And at the bottom, finally, there are other ideas of how you can write this same word. Use tracing paper to place the sheet over top of these so that you can practice some of the other lettering styles for this word as well. And most importantly, enjoy this as you practice this week's word until next week with the Word of the Week worksheet.